Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is belligerent. It is pronounced belligerent, and it is spelt Belligerent. Think bell, then the letter I, then the word ger, G-E-R, and then E-N-T. Belligerent means aggressive or hostile, especially in a manner that indicates a want or desire to attack or fight. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone or something being aggressive. For example, you could say, the belligerent dog barked and growled at the postman. Or you could say, the belligerent tone of the conversation made me feel uneasy. The word belligerent comes from the Latin word belliger, which means warlike. If you are warlike, you could also be described as aggressive or belligerent. So we can clearly see the connection there between the Latin for warlike and today's word belligerent. Can you think of any belligerent people? Here's one for you. How about Draco Malfoy in the Harry Potter series? Or Grumpy, the dwarf from Snow White? Both of these characters show hostile behavior or actions towards other characters, which could be described as belligerent. Synonyms for belligerent include aggressive, hostile, bellicose, combative, and confrontational. Antonyms include peaceful, friendly, amicable, conciliatory, and non-confrontational. Try to use your new word today. You could use it to describe perhaps a hostile person with a confrontational tone. Either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word today, belligerent. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.